All gas engineers and those who are curious of any combustible gas leaks need to invest in one of these. This is the top of the range TOPTES gas leak detector, packed with features that gets you the accurate readings. Inside the box you will get a hard carry case, easy to follow instructions, a mini USB charge cable as the device is rechargeable, and finally the TOPTES PT520B Plus gas leak detector. Switch on and wait for 30 seconds for calibration. On the side there's an alarm speaker, a USB charge slot, and the front a lovely colourful display. High and low sensitivity levels, 2 measuring units, you got the on or off alert sound once the gas is detected. You can check temperature levels in Celsius or Fahrenheit. And you got reset to 0 button too. A near enough half a meter flexible durable probe is a game changer, as you can go through tight areas while keeping a safe distance. Let's test this out, guys. Now, combustible gases are butane, methane, propane, natural gas, hydrogen and much more. Also thinking about those who drive on LPG, would be a great tool for them to carry. Definitely will be keeping this in my tool bag, as this device will eliminate putting life at risk. Stay safe, guys. Peace.